Ventricular fibrillations. A ventricular fibrillation is a wavy, chaotic, and disorganized pattern of waveforms on an electrocardiogram. These waveforms can vary in shape, amplitude, and deflections. They basically can be defined as a quivering state of the ventricles. In this case, in our ventricular fibrillations, we do not expect to have an effective cardiac output. Sometimes the disorganized pattern will have a big amplitude waves and others will be small. The rhythm may be referred to as a coarse or fine ventricular fibrillation. Pause a moment and look at this electrocardiogram that we have on the left side. We have two images, one for the coarse ventricular fibrillation and one for the fine ventricular fibrillation. In coarse ventricular fibrillation, we have an amplitude of these ECG waves that is greater than 3 millimeters. On the other hand, a fine ventricular fibrillation could pose difficulty in differentiating it between VF and asystole because the amplitude is less than 3 millimeters. Ventricular fibrillations basically require emergency treatment with immediate defibrillation. And we defibrillate our patients using an automated external defibrillator and performance of effective cardiopulmonary resuscitation or CPR. And in the long term, we have therapies that include an implantable defibrillator and medications which can be able to prevent recurrence of this ventricular fibrillation.